In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make the Microsoft Edge web browser the default web browser on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and go and select System Settings. On the left panel, you want to go down and select where it says Desktop and Dock. And then on the right side, scrolling down, there should be something underneath default web browser. Click inside this field and then select Microsoft Edge, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.